Amazon is filled with millions of products, but only a few are so unique, you won't even believe they exist. From a globe that floats in mid-air to a washing machine that fits in your pocket, these are 5 hidden Amazon gadgets you'll wish you found sooner. First up, the 3-in-1 keychain multi-tool. It looks like a regular keychain, but it's actually a screwdriver, bottle opener, and mini knife, all in one. Perfect for travel, camping, or quick fixes. It's tiny, durable, and insanely useful when you least expect it. Next, the folding Bluetooth keyboard. Imagine typing comfortably on your phone or tablet, anywhere. This one folds into your pocket, connects instantly, and has silent keys. Whether you're a student, traveler, or digital nomad, it's a total game changer. Number 3, the AirTag Smart Wallet. It's a slim, premium-looking wallet that holds your cards, but here's the best part, if you ever lose it, you can track it instantly using Apple's Find My app. It's like having built-in GPS for your wallet. Now this one's pure magic, the magnetic floating globe. It uses electromagnetic levitation to make the globe float and spin in the air endlessly. It's not just decoration, it's a jaw-dropping centerpiece for your desk that everyone will ask about. And finally, the portable pocket washing machine. It's a small ultrasonic device that cleans your clothes in any bucket or sink using sound waves. Just drop it in, turn it on, and watch it remove dirt in minutes, perfect for travel or emergencies. So there you go, 5 hidden Amazon gadgets you'll never believe actually exist. I've added all the product links in the description and pinned comment below, go check them out before they're gone. And if you love discovering genius gadgets like these, make sure to subscribe for the next one.